Hi parents, this is Magician Joe Romano with the Ultimate Magic Academy. I'm currently at my secret magic library located somewhere in the Nevada desert. I have good news for you. We're all looking for a little good news right now. If you're looking for something fun and productive for your kids to do while school is out, I am offering an interactive online magic course to help kids develop some awesome social skills during this time of social distancing. Your child will learn amazing magic tricks as well as positive character traits that will impact the rest of their life. Our amazing online magic classes will make boredom disappear. I guarantee it. We mail all custom materials and then classes take place on your computer, phone, or tablet using the Zoom app. It's easy. Students also have access to our online video vault of bonus tricks that can be performed with household items that are probably already sold out at your local grocery store. I hope not. Also, this is important. The bonus videos will extend the magical experience long after the class is over. There are hours and hours of fun magic tricks that will keep your kids occupied and give you a little break. Register now by going to ultimatemagicacademy.com. Your child will love this. Hang in there, everybody. We'll get through this. After all, what is life without a little bit of magic?